a startling twist, in fact, coming to the Sunanda Pushkar death probe. Three-membered panel of doctors from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences probing this case now have concluded in the fresh report that Sunanda Pushkar died because of poisoning. This team was headed by Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who had earlier alleged that he was pressurized into giving a tailor-made report in the case. The medical team is also lambasting the Delhi police, this for not submitting some very crucial documents in this case. It's saying that the cops did not submit any report on the reason for the injuries seen on Sunanda's body.
There is only one theory that she didn't die a natural death, and that has been confirmed. Now, what did she die of? That purely by medical report, you are not going to be able to get the whole story because there are many actors involved. She herself had told many people so many things. There are some contradictions between what Mr. Tharoor told the police and what we know to be true from phone records.
From the very beginning, there were various twists and turns in this particular case. In fact, Times Now has been tracking this case from the very beginning since this mysterious death of Sunanda Pushkar, wife of former Union Minister Shashi Tharoor, took place earlier. Also, as you mentioned rightly, in the earlier report it was mentioned that the death could have been due to drug overdose. That's what the stance of the Delhi police was as well. But Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who has been at the center of this controversy as well, maintains in this new startling report by the medical board of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences that the death cause is poisoning very much. Times Now has the 12-page report of the medical board, which is based on the CFSL investigations as well. This is the Visra report, and it particularly mentions the cause of death as poisoning, even as it also lambasts the Delhi police investigating officer in this particular case, maintaining that several of the crucial evidence and documents and also photographs of the site of the crime were not provided for further examination by the medical board, and that is why the chemical or the poison used in this particular death has not been mentioned. It is also important to mention here that Shashi Tharoor, who is the former union minister during the UPA regime, had maintained from the very beginning that there should be no controversy on this particular death. It was a case of natural death, but certainly he would maintain silence till Delhi police investigates this case. But the family of Sunanda Pushkar maintaining that they feel there is some kind of foul play in this case, and also maintaining that there should be some kind of a CBI investigation in this particular case. We are standing right outside Dr. Sudhir Gupta's residence. He's the head of the forensic department of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Of course, somebody who had alleged that there was considerable amount of pressure. Also, a particular case regarding his post in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences is also pending in one of the courts in Delhi. But certainly all eyes are now that whether Delhi police will further investigate this case. Why did the Delhi police not submit crucial documents to the medical board of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences? But certainly a political controversy will be sparked in this new twist in this particular case, that whether there was certainly poisoning and could this be a case of deliberate murder, then who exactly was involved in this high-profile case?
I am not going to say anything about personal matters. This is ultimately a highly disputed fact. This will be looked into by the relevant authorities. It's an ongoing legal process. There's no question of a political party like the Congress commenting on it. It's unfair to ask the question.
पहले से ही पता था, वो पहले मैं बोला आपको कि ये केस ये केस है, इसको एक्सीडेंट नहीं, ये उसको मार दिया गया है, पहले से ही पता था हमें। तो ये लोग पावरफुल लोग हैं, इसको पहले ही बोला था हमने सीबीआई के हवाले करो, तो ये तो हमें पहले पता था उसको।
क्या मोटिव क्या हो सकता है पीछे कुछ, अगर जैसा आप कह रहे हैं?
ये उसी दिन पता लग गया था कि जब ये उधर होटल में रहने के लिए आए, जब आजकल सीसीटीवी उधर कैमरा भी काम नहीं कर रहा था, ये प्लानिंग पहले ही बना हुआ था जब वो घर से ही निकले थे। तो उसके बाद अगर उसकी मैडम बीमार होती तो वो थोड़ी उस वक्त मीटिंग में जाता, वो तो उसी के साथ होता। तो ऊपर से उस दिन भी खबर आई कि जैसे शशि थरूर मीटिंग में जाते हैं, सबों के साथ हाथ मिलाते हैं, उस दिन उसने किसी के साथ हाथ भी नहीं मिलाया, किसी के साथ गपशप भी नहीं की, चुपचाप करके वो अपने सीट पर बैठा था। तो इसी परेशानी में वो था, हमें पहले ही पता था कैमरा भी नहीं लगे थे उधर इतने बड़े होटल में। ये पहले ही प्लानिंग था कैसे करना है कैसे करना है।